great fans, we are asked to solve this problem you are seeing. This is a diagram. You say in the diagram, ABCD is a trapezium in which AB is parallel to BC and angle ABC is a right angle. If AD is 15 cm, BD is 7 cm, and BC is 9 cm, calculate A, AB, B, the area of the triangle BCD, and C, CD, and D, perimeter of the trapezium. All right, so this is the shape of the question. So what you do, first of all, is to complete this shape. Use this diagram, complete the shape. So in completing this shape, see that you have forward a rectangle. So this is 15, this is 9. So 15 minus 9 will give me 6. So here is 6 cm. Can label here E. Alright? So you've completed the shape. Now we are asked the first question to find AB. So we are looking for this place. So we have here, this is a right angle. Alright? So by Pythagoras theorem, so let's go. By Pythagoras theorem, so we have that the hypotenuse square, that is the square of the hypotenuse, is equals to 15 square plus AB square. So what we do now is to get the value. This is 289. This is 225 plus AB square. All right. So here you can easily have that AB is equal to 289. When this one go to this side, become minus 225 square because of the square in the AB. So you can easily have that this is 64. 289 minus 225 is 64. So have 8 cm. So the value of AB is what? Question A answered. Right. AB. All right, so the next one is to find the area of BCD. BCD. And the area of a triangle. Area of a triangle. The area of a triangle is simply half base times what? Height. So here, the vertical height here is 8 cm. All right? So the base of the triangle is 9 cm. So it's simply half times base and base, 9 times 8. So this will go with this, we'll have 4. So area is going to be 4 times 9, 36 cm squared. All right, so we've gotten that. So let's go for the next one, which is the C. So we should find CD. CD. So we are looking for this shape. This is a vertical line. So that means here is 90 degrees. Okay. So we're looking for the length CD. So simply by Pythagoras theorem again, you have that CD square is equal to 8 square plus what? 6 square. By Pythagoras theorem applied to this right angle triangle. So we have CD equals to square root of 64 plus 36, which will give us 100 square root, which implies what? 10 cm. So the CD is what? 10 cm. So quickly, let's check for the next one, which is the perimeter of the trapezium. So this is the trapezium A, B, C, D. All right. So quickly, question D, perimeter of the trapezium A, B, C, D. So the perimeter is going to be Perimeter is what? The sum of the distance around a shape. The sum of the distances around what? A shape. So AB first, we'll have 8 plus 15 plus the trapezium we are dealing with is 10 plus this is 9. So the shapes round is what? AB 15. This one DC and BC. So we have add it up. 8 plus 15, 23, 33, 42. So the perimeter is 42 cm. It's a very easy one. To do what